Hello and welcome to this YouTube video where we'll be discussing the top tips and tricks for the Samsung S23. Before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe the channel if you've been meaning to upgrade your older Android or iPhone to a new Galaxy. It seems like S23 will be a good choice. We're sure you'll find some valuable information in this video. So let's get started. Tip 1. Customize the Always display. One of the most popular features of the Samsung S23 is the display. You can customize the look and feel of your device by changing the background image, font style, and even the icons. To do this, simply go to the Settings app and select Display. From there, you can select Mass Display and customize to your liking. Tip 2. Use Bixby to your advantage. Bixby is Samsung's virtual assistant that can help you perform various tasks on your device. You can use Bixby to send messages, make calls, or even control your smart home devices. To activate Bixby on Samsung S23, follow these steps. Press and hold the Bixby button on the left side of the device or the power button. If you have Bixby Voice, you will be asked to set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure Bixby Voice. If Bixby Voice is already set up, simply say Hi Bixby to activate it. If you do not have Bixby Voice, you can activate Bixby Home by tapping the Bixby button. Tip 3. Take advantage of Split Screen Mode. Split Screen Mode allows you to use two apps at the same time, side by side on the same screen. This can be especially useful when you need to multitask, like checking your email while watching a video. To use split screen mode on a Samsung S23, follow these steps. Open the first app that you want to use in split screen mode. Tap and hold the Recent Apps button. Find the second app that you want to use in split screen mode and tap on it. The screen will be split in half, with the first app on the top and the second app on the bottom. You can adjust the size of each app by dragging the dividing line up or down. Tip 4. Camera tips. Here are some camera tips for the Samsung Galaxy S23. Use the Pro Mode. The Pro Mode allows you to manually adjust settings like ISO, shutter speed, and aperture for better control over your photos. Experiment with different shooting modes. The Samsung Galaxy S23 offers a range of shooting modes like Live Focus, Night Mode, and Hyperlapse. Try out different modes to see which ones work best for your situation. Stabilize your shots. Use a tripod or try to hold the phone steady to prevent blurry photos, especially when using a slow shutter speed. Use the rule of thirds. This composition technique involves imagining two horizontal and two vertical lines on the viewfinder and placing the subject of your photo along one of these lines. Adjust exposure. The Galaxy S23 camera allows you to adjust the exposure level by tapping on the screen and sliding your finger up or down to increase or decrease the brightness. Tip 5. Use the Edge panel. The Edge panel on the Samsung S23 is a useful tool that allows you to access your frequently used apps and contacts with just a swipe. You can also customize the Edge panel to include the apps and contacts that you use the most. To use the Edge panel on Samsung S23, go to Settings, then Display, then Edge Screen, then Edge Panels. Turn on the Edge panel feature. Select and activate the desired Edge panels from the list of available panels. Swipe in from the side of the screen to open the Edge panel. You can also customize the Edge panel by rearranging the order of the apps and shortcuts or by adding new ones. Tip 6. Enable One-Handed Mode. The Samsung S23 has a large display, which can be difficult to use with one hand. One-Handed Mode allows you to shrink the size of the display so that you can easily reach all parts of the screen with one hand. To enable One-Handed Mode, simply go to the Settings app and select Advanced Features. From there, turn on the One-Handed Mode toggle. We hope you found these tips useful and will be able to take full advantage of all the features that the device has to offer. If you have any other tips or tricks, feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.